Today we just want to demonstrate how to perform one-touch options, binary options trades using one-touch. So we are going to be using Fibonacci retracement areas to take the trade. So we just wait here. It says one-touch options, not now, which means that at the moment we don't have any valid entry for one-touch. So we just go to our platform just to prepare for Euro USD one touch. And the $50 for investment amount. You just go back to our platform to just wait for that opportunity. So here we're just waiting for the price to retrace a little bit to this Fibonacci retracement area for that one touch options to be valid, to be available. So you see at the moment the price has breached the 61.8 retracement level, so which means that at the moment the price won't touch down, so we'll just buy a no touch option and for investment amount of $50, and then we buy. So the trade is going to expire in 15 minutes at 6:30 and in 30. So we'll just pause the video and we'll come back to you at expiry to show you the results. We have 40 seconds before the trade expires and the trade is in the money. Trading one touch or no touch options is a great way to hedge your trades. As you can see, our entry position was here where the black dot is, and you can see that this entry position provided support for the Euro USD for the next 15 minutes. Having said that, it is also a great way because the price don't need to touch this line here, and as you can see, it is a support level here, and with this support area the price is not going to go down further than that. And it is a great way to trade, as you just need to expire on top of this line, and the trade can expire below your entry position, but that doesn't matter, which is a great way to hedge your trades. So let's just go back to our MetaTrader platform to show you our entry position once more. So our entry position was around this candlestick here, and you can see that the price continued to go long and stayed in that zone, and you need to just use these Fibonacci retracement levels to enter the trade. And here we are just using this indicator that does everything for us. So we just need to do is to look at the chart here and we enter the trade. So here we have a boundary options available. So just go to our platform and go on boundary, Euro USD to expire in 15 minutes. Our boundary out, $50 for investment amount. So just go back to our chart, see if that boundary is still available. So just wait for this candlestick to expire to enter our trade. As you can see, this last candle here is at the analysis boundary. So we're just waiting for the software to update this Fibonacci retracement level, and our boundary is available, and the probability of the price staying in this boundary is 30.588%. So that candlestick has expired and we now enter into that boundary. So this is another great way to hedge our trades as well, because with boundary options you don't matter about the direction. All you need is the price to expire out of this boundary, whether down here or up here, which is an incredible way because you don't need to choose which direction that the price should be in. So just pause the video and we'll come back at 16:45. Thank you. We're 10 seconds till the trade expires and our trade is indeed in the money, and we can see our entry position was here right at this black dot. The price continued to go long, exited the boundary, come back into the boundary and bounced back off and finished in the money. So this is a great way to trade if you want to make consistent profits in binary options, because with this type of trading you don't need to choose the direction. All you're interested in is the price expiring out of this boundary, so it doesn't matter it goes long or short. So let's go back to a chart to show you exactly what has happened. So our entry position was around here where this candlestick is, and the price went up and then back down again, and now the price is within this boundary as well. So we do have another boundary option position available, and here we have a 12%, 20% probability for the price to stay in this range. So let's go to our platform again so that we can exploit this opportunity on Euro USD. Our boundary out, our investment amount $50. Just come back to our chart again to see if that opportunity is available. Still available? Yep, it's still available. So, and then we enter. So again, we are interested in the price exiting this boundary, so it either expires above or below this boundary, and it's a great way not to worry about choosing the direction that the price should exit. As you can see, the price is continuing long. Let's go back to our chart again. So as we can see here with these smart volumes, that we have a bullish focus, we have strong buyers in the market. So I think by now we have exited the boundary. As you can see, the price is now above the boundary, and it's a great way to trade binary options to make consistent profits, because all you need to do is to just choose that the price is going to exit the boundary and expire out of the boundary, and no need to worry about the direction. And a lot of people get stressed when you enter the market and the price just goes the opposite direction, and that means losing money. But with boundary positions, there is no need to worry about that. All you need to worry about is the price exiting the boundary, of which we have a strong bullish focus on the Euro USD. So our trade should be expiring at 1900. So we'll pause the video at the moment and we'll come back to you at expiry to show you the results. Thank you. We have 20 seconds remaining to our trade expires, and the price has gone above a boundary, our upper boundary, and now it is just 2 points below the upper boundary. So we just wait till a few minutes till the trade expires, and this is going to be the first loss. So our trade has indeed expired out of the money at a expiry price of 0.1.07735. So we'll just go back to our MetaTrader 4 platform to see if we have got more opportunities that we can exploit. So our entry position was around this candlestick here, and as you can see, the price went out of the boundary and came back at this last candle. So this was just mistimed trade, because as you can see, this candle is now going out of our boundary, but our trade has already expired. So let's go back to our platform to see if we've got another expiry. We do have an expiry at 7:15, and we'll select out of the boundary, and this time around we'll put an investment amount of $125 to cover our loss on this trade. So we'll just enter now, and we are seeking a gross return of $218.75 to recover our loss on this trade. That finished out of the money. So just come back to our platform to see the probability for this trade to finish in this range is around 12%, which is fairly low probability, as we can see here on our smart volumes, that the smart volumes are decreasing when our price is increasing on the bullish side. So it is a very high probability trade for this trade to finish out of this boundary. That was the last trade that we took. So we are predicting that the price is going to exit this boundary at 7:15. So we'll just pause the video and we'll come back to you at 7:15 to show you the results, to show you how this trade pans out. Thank you. Over 5 seconds till the trade expires, and as you can see that the price has went with a very ballistic move in the upward direction. This was our entry position here, the red dot here you can see here, and the price struggled for some time and hovered around that boundary until it made that ballistic move up. So let's go back to a chart to show you what happened. So this is a 5-minute chart. We just put it on a 1-minute chart that we are using to enter positions. So as you can see here, the price is made a very robust move on the upward direction, leaving us with a net profit of 218.75, recovering our previous loss and making a profit on this trade as well. So this is how you trade with a proper money management, that no matter if you lose, you still be in profit at the end of the day. So we'll just go back to our platform, our MT4 platform, to see if we still have got any more opportunities. So we do have another boundary opportunity here. So we just wait for that candle to expire to enter into our trade. So we just prepare the trade for EURUSD to finish in the next 15 minutes. And our investment amount of $50. So right now we'll come back to our initial investment amount. So we're just looking here for that minute to expire to enter our trade. So let's just wait here on our MetaTrader platform. Okay, so now we are able to enter into this trade, seeking a 75% net return. So we'll just pause this video and we'll come back to you at 7:30 to show you how this trade pans out. Thank you. We have 30 seconds till the trade expires, and it looks as if the price has found some support right there at our boundary, but we don't count our blessings till the trade expires. So just wait for the next 20 seconds to the trade expires. So we'll just show you our chart. So that was our entry boundary, and you can see that the price is going further up on the upward direction, making us so we have taken 5 trades, so 6 trades, and 1 has finished out of the money, and we had recovered that loss in the last trade that we took. So let's go back to our platform to see if we still have got another valid entry. So we do have another boundary options with 8.65 probability, but I do believe that we have a resistance level there, and that the price is going to stop there. So we should see the price retrace a little bit. So we'll just go over to a platform to prepare the trade. If we do have an expiry of 745, which is available. So enter our investment amount of $50, seeking a 75% return. We just enter. So this trade is supposed to expire out of this boundary, and I do believe that we have a support right on our entry, a resistance rather on our entry position. So once this resistance is breached, we are going to see a further continuation. If the price doesn't breach this resistance area, we'll see the price exiting the boundary on the lower side. So we just pause the video and we'll come back to you at 7:45 to show you the results. Thank you. We have 30 seconds till the trade expires, and the trade is finishing out of the money due to that support, that resistance level here. So the price breached that upper boundary and retraced back into the boundary. So let's come back to our MetaTrader chart to see what is going on. So the price went to hit that analysis boundary and retraced a little bit back, and then the trade has expired at this candle. So let's go back to see if the trade has finished. So the trade has expired out of the money. So this is the 6th trade and the 2nd trade to finish out of the money. So let's see if we still have got a valid entry to recover our loss. So we do have 26% probability of this trade to finish in this boundary. So because of this divergence here, we'll see. Let's make a decision if we are going to take this trade to finish at 8 o'clock. So we do have another position, so we'll probably take this 8 o'clock to finish out of that boundary for an investment amount of 125. So let's come back again to see if that boundary position is still available. So indeed it's still available, so we'll enter buy so that we can recover our loss on the previous trade and make a profit on this trade as well. So we'll pause the video and we'll come back to you at expiry to show you the results. Thank you. We've got 30 seconds till the trade expires, and the trade is in the money at the moment. We just wait for the next 20 seconds for the trade to expire. So we have took 6 trades. So this was our entry position, and the price found some temporary support at our boundary. So just show you at our chart. So it found that support at our boundary, at our lower boundary, and before breaching that support level to continue with the downward move. So as I had mentioned earlier on, that we do have a support around this area, and that support was tested, and we do have a resistance here, and that resistance area was tested, and the price started moving on the downward position. So this was our entry position at that black dot here. As you can see that the price continued to move on the downside. So this is how you take advantage using this indicator and trade binary options without even any knowledge of the markets or reading the trends or whatever. Just looking at this panel here that shows you the boundary, if the boundary is available. At the moment there are no boundary options opportunities, so we'll probably call it quits for today. So we have lost 2 trades which we recovered with the next trade. So this was a recovery trade with a gross return of 218.75, and you have seen on this live analysis the trades that we took that have finished in the money. So thank you for watching. and happy trading many pips ahead. Thank you.